Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to paint a painting which I named it as Freedom. So please take your poster color, take your brushes, take your round brush. This is called a round brush, detailing round brush. This is called a flat brush. This is called a broad flat brush. Now we are going to start it. Take your flat brush. Take it red color first. Here is our red color first. Fill it a broad strip. Remove your color from the brush. Now take a deep yellow color. That is called as a chrome yellow color. Use your water to blend it till down. Again take it yellow color. Use your water to blend till down. Here my layout of the backdrop is done. If you feel that it is a light color, you can take it yellow color and extend it till down. Now I'm going to make it sun. Take it your red color on the center. Half arc. Now take it chrome yellow color. Make it full circle. Mix up inside by using yellow color. Make it proper circle. Here I made a sun. Now take a detailing brush and please wet it till it dries. Now I am going to take a detailing brush and take it black color. As I say that my concept is of freedom, so I am going to make it one cage, one straight line, one curve and one straight line going towards downside. Same thing here, one curve and one straight line going towards downside. One curve, one more curve. Fill it inside black because it is a base of a cage. Cover it with a black color. So its base is done. Now I am going for few bars in a cage. This is the bar where I made it. Now I am going to make it one door of the cage. This is a cage which is open. and here where bird can sit, this is a bar where bird sits and sleep. Now I'm going to make it one bird which has been releasing out from the cage and enjoying the freedom. It's a bird flying in the air. Even also you can make it in poster making. One more wings. Here its beak, here is its mouth. Now I am going towards body part. It is flying in the sky. Work on detailing please. Friends, जितना डिटेलिंग होगा उतना शार्प और अच्छा दिखेगा. This is the tail of the bird and two legs. So this bird is flying in air and it is enjoying its freedom. So with the calligraphy I am going to write it freedom. 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 Enjoy our painting. If you want to like and if you want to subscribe or you want to share, you can share it with any other friends. Our site name is Education Plus Art. Take care.